welcome back, welcome back. My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video, I have a power hour video for you guys, like I'm showing you guys on the phone. I wanted to time myself and see how much I can get done in an hour. So as you can see here, I'm starting with my room first because I was already upstairs getting ready to go out. So this is literally an hour because I needed to leave the house in an hour. So this is literally a power hour for me in real life. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and like the video if you like it. Comments because I love to communicate with you guys, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
You, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are.
Alright guys, so this clip I was trying to vacuum for you guys, but the camera stopped recording, so that's why I didn't finish it. So I figured that I'll just put this clip anyway so that you know that I did vacuum my room. I just didn't see that my camera stopped recording. So after I vacuum the floor, I move on to the kids' bathroom, which is where I'm at right now. I usually just use the Clorox wipe like you see in the other bathroom. I just use the Clorox wipes when I'm tidying up so I can just wipe and take the germs away and things like that. So that's what you see me doing here.
I'm bulletproof, go on, shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is not worth enemies.
Alright guys, so I'm done with the bathroom and I'm starting with my daughter's room because my daughter's room is next to the bathroom. So yeah, I don't know if you guys seen my other videos, but if you've seen it, you know that my kids' room always look like this whenever I walk in there. But their room is not always clean. The thing is, whenever I'm getting ready to come in their room to fix their bed, I always tell them to pick up their toys and pick up their dirty clothes and fix up the bed. I don't give them chores to do in the house. This is their only chores. They are 8. My son is 8 and my daughter is gonna be 7 next month, so that's their only chores to do. So I like them to do it before I come in and do anything.
a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. 9 to 5, we're all on the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. Do whatever I like. It doesn't matter.
Alright guys, so you're gonna see that there's some dishes in my sink, as you can see, and I'm putting the trash away because, like I said, I needed to be going somewhere, and guess what? Your girl failed at the power hour. By that time when I left to put the trash away, my phone already rung and the hour was up, and I decided that let me clean up and leave the rest of the dishes in the sink. It wasn't really dishes like that, it was just the pots and pans. I just didn't have time to wash those, so I wipe up the microwave and things like that, and broom and mop. So by the time, so when you saw me grabbing the black bag is when my hour was up. So I don't know what everybody else does, but I failed the power hour. So I wanted to tell you guys that anyways, because like I said, I don't know. Every time I watch the video, everybody always get everything done, but I did not get everything done. So this is it for the video, guys. If you like it, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.